Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by recording a focused voice clip. Speak slowly and hold the phone close. Once done, save the file as M4A or MP3 and confirm it plays back without noise. If you want a visual, pick a single image to pair with the audio. Make sure the clip is 30-60 seconds for quick status viewing. Longer files can be compressed. Now locate the saved audio in your files or gallery so you can convert or wrap it into a video for WhatsApp status. Now convert the audio into an MP4 video by combining it with your chosen image. Use a basic video editor or built-in shortcut. Import the image, add the audio track, set duration to match the clip, and export using MP4/AAC encoding. Once exported, preview the video to confirm sync and volume. Make sure resolution is reasonable, like 720p, to keep file size small. When it looks good, save it to your phone's gallery, or finally, open WhatsApp, go to Status, tap My Status, and add the MP4 video from your gallery. Once selected, trim or add text and send. You've posted an audio-only message wrapped as a visual status so viewers hear your voice. If nothing plays, make sure WhatsApp has permission to access storage and media. If the file is incompatible, reconvert using MP4 with AAC audio. As a quick fix, restart WhatsApp or re-export the video at a lower bitrate and try uploading again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.